Okay, so what we're looking at here is how I bench test a computer. So I've already got the liquid cooler attached. We're going to put some RAM in. Let's see, where is it? Looks like it's these two. And this is typically something I'm going to do before I actually put the time and effort in to do a full build. So we are going to do a Windows install. Let's see here. And we are going to be testing this with a, actually, you know what? I just realized all my connectors and stuff are over here, so I am going to have to, oh, that's not what I wanted to do, but that's how I'm going to have to do it. This is the pretty standard way to do this using a motherboard box. It's kind of the quick and easy way if you don't have what do they call them? A bench, a test bench, which I do not have. I've thought about buying one. It's something I never got around to. Okay. What am I doing? So, oh, that's the one I wanted. Okay. So we're going to plug into our 8-pin up here. And we are in. And I am going to try to plug, if I can find my, well, where are they? Right there. Guess I might be able to plug these in here. Let's see here. I think, let's see, is that the 4? It looks like the fan is the CPU. First one, and connect that. Okay, so the liquid cooler and its fan are both plugged in. It's kind of, let's try to do this so it stays. Oh, it doesn't want to stay up. Come on. I guess that's probably good enough in this case. I just need it not to be completely blocked. Okay, what else are we doing? Oh, look, it has a, I didn't know we were getting front panel USB-C headers in this generation. I thought you didn't start seeing those until Z370. This is Z270. Okay, and then, so actually let's grab, totally forgot my SSD. So we are gonna put a 1 terabyte M.2 in this. It's a mid-spec, it's Silicon Power branded M.2. They're cheap enough now. I really don't think any computer should, any modern computer anyway, should come with anything less. I'd like to get away with cheaping out with less, but the bottom line is they're so cheap. It's like, man, mid-spec M.2s, I think you can get a mid-spec one, 1 terabyte for under 50 bucks now. So if you're doing less than that, you're being a cheapskate. Let's see here. Oh, man, I thought I had a bunch of them. Oh, there's one. Need a M.2 screw. The nicer M.2 drives actually usually come with one. Okay. That's in. And then we put our, so this is a Radeon RX 580, 8 gig, I believe. which is a card I absolutely hate, but we're going to see if I can get the performance that I want. I'm shooting for a certain kind of performance bracket with this. I want games like Cyberpunk 2077 to be minimally playable at like low to medium at a solid frame rate. Doesn't necessarily have to be 60, but I want solid. If it's not solid, we're going to try a different card. I've got some 9 series cards on hand. I don't want to put a 1080 in it. I've got a 1080. I don't want to use it because I'm trying to keep this system, even though it's a high-end board, it's a Strix board and it's a i7 chip and all that, it's technically a lower-end board chip and RAM combo now that we've moved past 4-core, so I don't really want to put a more expensive video card in it, just because I'm trying to keep this as far sub 500 as I can, maybe around 4, maybe even sub 4, depending on what I try to undercut the market. So we'll see where the market is on this one, and we're gonna need, hopefully, I have a Windows 10 thumb drive. Okay. So first, let's get all our cables is going on here. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I use these giant cable bundles that let me have all of my cables movable. Let's see, we want you and our USBs. I have not tested these parts since I bought them from my buddy like 6 months ago. So I don't actually know that these parts work at the moment. So that'll be fun. I'm hoping everything just comes in and goes on. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't have... How do you not have an onboard power button on a freaking Strix board? Okay, Asus, that's next level cheap ass. Not cool. But whatever. Okay, let's see if we even get video output first. We can go from there. Let's see here. Okay. That didn't work. Oh wait, here we go. There we go. It came on and then went back off. Are we getting something? My buddy's usually pretty good with stuff, so I'm guessing that it works fine, and it looks like I think I'm getting video. Oh, yep, there's video. So we're good. So let's try. Okay, so temperatures are good. Let's see here. So Asus is F8. You just spam the key. I think you can press, you know, I should probably test this, whether or not you can just press and hold, or if you have to just hit it over and over. Okay, let's see here. Kingston. You want, so you'll have a few options when you boot up. You want the one that says UEFI. And is it going to boot? Oh, yep, we have life. So just a quick just a quick desk test for a system. So anyway, nothing specific that this was for. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I do this type of testing. So I hope you guys find this interesting, and maybe this helps somebody that doesn't realize. I did one of these a while back, and I did have people that were like, oh, I didn't even know you could do that. I'm like, yep, you can. As long as you do it right, there's really no risk. But anyway, thanks for watching.